Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going directly to Accessibility, then Keyboards. This gets you to the control center for input. Turn on full keyboard access, now so iPhone accepts key commands. Make sure a physical keyboard is paired or prepare to use the on-screen modifier keys for shortcuts. Once enabled, basic navigation keys like Tab and Arrow will move focus. This step is minimal but essential. Without it, the rest of the shortcuts and custom commands won't work. Once enabled, dive into commands to map actions to keys. You'll see categories like System, Text Editing, and App Controls. Create or edit a command by tapping Add Command, then press the key combo and choose the action. This is how you tailor navigation and efficiency. Make sure to set modifier keys correctly and use hold duration to prevent accidental triggers. As you customize, test within relevant apps so the commands behave as expected and don't finish by running through typical tasks. Switch fields, activate buttons, and type with shortcuts to verify behavior. If something feels off, refine or delete conflicting commands, prioritize app-specific rules. Make sure focus and keyboard settings don't block inputs. If a command is unresponsive, disconnect and reconnect the keyboard, toggle full keyboard access off and on, then restart the iPhone if needed. This fix usually resolves state issues. If problems persist, recreate the problematic command with a different key combination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.